In this lesson, we are going to review how to convert a federated search into an advanced search. We are looking for documents about Washington University's contract compliance and medical research into transplants from 9/21/14 to 6/13/17. Let's start by selecting the search menu in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. From this menu, we can select different search types. We'll select Federated here, as this will allow us to search against all file types. From the Federated Search tab, let's select the checkbox to the left of the date range. This will allow us to restrict dates. In the first field to the right of date range, type in 9/21/14. In the next field, type in 6/13/17. Now, we can go ahead and input our terms in the Contains field. To do that, first let's select the checkbox to the left of Contains. Now let's type in some of our terms. First, medical, then hit enter, research, then hit enter. Let's combine those for medical research, hit enter. On the next line, we'll type in contract, and then finally, on the last line, we'll type in compliance. Note that terms on separate lines are OR searches, while terms on the same line equate to AND searches. Once we're all set, let's hit the search button in the bottom right. Here we can see that our search yielded 3,545 results. Now let's select the search menu again in the upper right in order to convert the federated search into an advanced search. This time, let's select Advanced Search. The Advanced Search dialog box will open up. Let's maximize it. Here we can see an outline of boxes, and we can see the terms we previously inputted into the federated search. These were converted into an advanced search. In the upper left, we see Federated All Of. All Of is an AND search. Any of operators here are OR searches. Under the term Compliance, at the bottom of the advanced search box, let's add a rule, as contract and compliance are in the Any Of section. This will then be added to the OR search. From the Add Rule dropdown, select Content. When the Content search box opens up, leave the Contains operator as is and input the term Washington. Next, let's add another rule. In the dropdown, once again select Content. In the field to the right of Content Contains, input University. Now let's go ahead and add a group. If we add a group directly underneath the term University in the Any Of section, it will become an OR search. If we add a group to the section or the box below it, it will become an All Of search, which is an AND search. Let's add a group to the next section, which will then be an All Of search. Here we can see that the newly added item is added as an All Of search. From here, select the Add Rule button. Now select Subject. Here, let's leave the operator alone and type in Transplant Contract. Then click the search button in the bottom right. Here we can see that the newly edited advanced search has narrowed the scope of our results significantly. Let's go ahead and save the search by right-clicking on the Search tab in the upper left. When the right-click context menu appears, we can go ahead and select Rename. Here, type in the name you wish to give your search and then click OK. The search has now been saved accordingly. One item of note here. Federated searches can be transferred to advanced searches, as has been shown here. However, advanced searches cannot be converted to federated searches. For more information, please visit our Help Center. This concludes the lesson on converting a federated search into an advanced search.